Memory Lane Classic Car Museum is a must-see attraction in Hiawassee, Georgia, near the shores of beautiful Lake Chattooga. This 42,000 square foot air-conditioned facility houses over 100 classic custom cars, trucks, and motorcycles, and all under one roof. You will appreciate a diverse array of cars spanning more than a century that are presented exceptionally well. If chrome is your favorite color, then you've come to the right place. This extensive collection was assembled over many years by Jerry and June Smith, who wished to share their love of restored vehicles with the general public. Let's take a moment now, as we pay a visit to Jerry and June Smith, for a good welcoming word.
Welcome to Memory Lane. Sitting next to me is my beautiful wife, June, and I'm Jerry Smith. And this is our collection, a lifetime of dreams. This is when cars was cars. You could tell what kind of car it was by going down the road. Today, you cannot tell a car apart. So look around, enjoy yourself, and hope to see you soon.
And ladies, don't let the idea of coming to look at a bunch of old cars hold you back. You're going to see more than old cars. I think you'll all enjoy it. Please come and see us, and thank you.
The nostalgic feeling that these cars bring is hard to describe. It's like taking a time machine back into the good old days. The experience of learning to drive, then owning your own car is a rite of passage. Our facility can easily accommodate large groups, families, or individuals that wish to spend 1 to 2 hours viewing these beautiful vehicles. You would be hard-pressed to find another collection as extensive as these. You'll also appreciate the large collection of neon signs and memorabilia that adorn the interior walls of the Classic Car Museum. These signs and memorabilia have been collected over several years by the Smith family, and add to the ambience of our museum. A dedicated area of the museum has model cars, memorabilia, and t-shirts for sale to the general public. And make great gifts to friends or family. Thanks so much for taking the time to view our Memory Lane video. Now, let's take it back to Jerry and June for some more information and future plans that they have in store for you while visiting their museum.
Thank you all for watching our video. We hope you enjoyed it, and we hope you'll all come into Memory Lane. Jerry and I have enjoyed collecting these cars over the years, and we'd love to share them with you and your families, and sure appreciate you watching. Thanks.
And all the money that we raise goes to charity.
Yes, it does.
We have a $5 entry fee so everybody can come and enjoy it. We also open up a restaurant here in the very near future. So come on out, enjoy it. Thank you.